Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to walk through how to update your AirPods firmware to the latest version. This is based on my own experience, and I hope it helps you out. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your AirPods are charged. We need to check the charge status. Open your AirPods case next to your iPhone. You should see a pop-up showing the charge levels. The earbuds themselves need to be at 100%, and the AirPods case needs to be at least 50% or more. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. As of recording this video, that's iOS 18.1. Okay, let's connect the AirPods to your iPhone. Open the AirPods case and put the AirPods in your ears so they are fully connected to your iPhone. Once you've done that, close the AirPods case and set it aside. Now, listen to some music or a podcast for about 5 to 30 seconds. I'm going to open YouTube and listen to a bit of the W Show by LT. Alright, now that we've listened to some audio, we need to disconnect the AirPods from our iPhone. Open the AirPods case again, put the AirPods back inside the case, and close the case. Set them down next to your iPhone. Go ahead and lock your iPhone. Now, this is the waiting game. Keep your iPhone and your AirPods next to each other for anywhere from 2 minutes to 30 minutes, so the AirPods firmware can update in the background. In my experience, it usually only takes about 2 minutes, but your mileage may vary. Okay, a few minutes have passed. Let's check if our AirPods have been updated. Unlock your iPhone and connect the AirPods again by putting the earbuds back in your ears. Once you've done that, close the AirPods case and set it down next to your iPhone. Now, let's check the firmware version. Go into your iPhone settings. If your AirPods are connected, you should see them at the top of the settings menu. If you don't, go into Bluetooth settings and make sure your AirPods are connected there. Once they are connected, tap the little eye information icon next to the AirPods. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Where it says version, your firmware version should now be updated. As of this video, the latest version is 7B61 for the AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C. Great! Now that your AirPods have been updated, you can enjoy the new features and use them as normal. If you want to check the latest firmware version for your specific AirPods model, go to the Apple website. I'll put a link in the description below. Scroll down to the latest firmware version section, and you'll find the latest firmware for all AirPods models. And that's how you update the firmware on your AirPods. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.